What is up, everybody? It's Kris from Maxlider Brothers Customs, and it is that time of year. Holiday season is upon us. What does that mean? Well, it's time for Black Friday sales. If you follow our Instagram, you know that Erik is gone at Dallas right now working some deals, so that leaves me in charge. We were sitting around yesterday trying to figure out what we were going to do for Black Friday this year, and we couldn't really come up with something, and then it dawned on me, Erik's gone, so I get to make the decisions, and he can't fight me on it. So what we're going to do from now until a limited time, we're going to run a pretty big special on our front bumper for the 2021 and up Bronco and Bronco Raptor. What's that special going to be? Well, with the purchase of the bumper, you can either do the bumper and grill guard or just the bumper on both, as I said, Bronco and Bronco Raptor. What we will be doing for a limited time is we're going to throw in the ditch lights for free. So all 4 ditch lights, not these lights, but the ditch lights will be for free. That is about a $425 savings on the purchase of the bumper. As I said, a limited time, you may want to rush. We have supply, we have a lot in stock right now, and we're wanting to move them, and we're wanting to satisfy your Christmas needs. So hop on the website, MaxLiderBros.com, and purchase your bumper now to get our Black Friday sale. Hope you all have a good holidays. Peace. Erik, you can't stop me. Later.